Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, we're doing a lot of fun and exciting things. First things first, we're getting our first Christmas Starbucks drink, and we're also going Christmas shopping. So very exciting things happening today. So I thought I would bring you guys along. So we got ready and we're headed out the door. And when I say we, I mean me and Alex, obviously. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit before we headed out the door. This is my outfit. I have this zip up from Aritzia. Jeans are Abercrombie, and then my Nike Air Force Ones. It's super hot outside, so I'm not putting a coat on. I'm gonna be perfectly fine just in this. And yeah, let's go. Let's go get our first Christmas Starbucks drink. We made it. We got our lattes. However, they didn't have.
But they don't have the Christmas cups.
Christmas cups. Like they have them, but I think they only have them for like the talls and the
small and the
like what's the other? Yeah,
venti.
Small and the venti. So yeah. Anyways, cheers. First taste test of the season. This is so good.
Oh yeah.
It hits every time. And we're going Christmas shopping in and a few other stores. So let's get this Christmas theme day started. Okay, so we did Indigo. We also went to Michael's and Linen Chest. Couldn't find anything that we really loved as Christmas decor, and then some things were a little bit too pricey, so obviously we're not gonna buy things that are too pricey. But we made our way to HomeSense, so we're gonna go to HomeSense and hopefully we can find some cute Christmas mugs. I think that's the one thing that we really want to find, and then maybe a few like Christmas decor pieces. We'll see. So we sort of found something at HomeSense, not what we thought we were gonna find, but I did find like a cute little Christmas decor piece that I'll show you when I get home. I want to see, like, I want to do all the stores that we're doing today and then do a full haul of what we got, which might just end up being this one thing, but I don't care. I'm gonna wait until we get back home. We didn't find any mugs. That was so disappointing. Yeah. Don't you think? Like, honestly, no very disappointing, because this
3 places, no mugs.
They had a lot of mugs, Christmas things. No, they had a lot of Christmas things, but they didn't have mugs. Like, the mugs that they had were like just like, they weren't that cute, honestly. Like, Indigo had cute ones, but they were very pricey,
and they felt cheap.
Well, there's the ones that were cheap. Like, they were $16.99, which is fine. Like, I would pay $16.99 for a mug, but they felt extremely cheap, and I was like, this is gonna break. Like, I felt like it was gonna break so fast. Like, if I put hot coffee in it, I feel like it would crack and break because it was so thin and light. But the mug itself was so cute. Then there was the ones from Indigo as well that had like the little, you know, they had like a whole bunch of Christmas things on it. Those were really cute, but they were pricey though.
Very expensive.
They were very expensive for a mug. Like, I was not gonna pay that price for those. Bucks. Yeah, $25. And it wasn't like, oh my god, I love this mug, I don't care how much it costs, I'm gonna buy it. It was like it's cute, but I'm settling for this mug. But it was still really cute though. Like, if it was cheaper, I would have got it. Like, if it was $16.99, I would have gotten one of those. Now we're heading to Bouclair, and we're probably gonna do the HomeSense near our house too. We'll see how we feel. But Bouclair first. Okay, we're back home, and we didn't end up going to the HomeSense near our house, but we did go to Bouclair. They had a lot of cute things, but we didn't get anything, just because I think at this point, like, I've seen what the stores have, and Bouclair is the kind of store that they'll have that for the next month. They'll have all of the same things for the next month, whereas HomeSense not necessarily. So that's why I really wanted to go to HomeSense today, and the one in Ottawa just has so many more things. And then Indigo is like pretty far for us, so we can't just go anytime, but Bouclair I can literally walk from where I live, so if ever I change my mind on an item, then I can go get some at the store, which is perfectly fine. But anyways, all that to say, we didn't end up getting anything. I think I'm gonna wait until I take all the Christmas things out, which I'm literally hesitating, like, should I take them out today or no? I kind of want to, and it's kind of with the theme of this vlog, and I just want to take the Christmas stuff out, so I'm like, maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll wait maybe another week before I do that. But all that to say, we're back home. Alex just left to go to the gym. I'm gonna make a chicken noodle soup for the week because I got some ingredients to make it, and that's gonna be like my lunches for the week. And I love chicken noodle soup during like the fall slash winter time, even though it feels like summer because it's so hot. And it's more of a chicken and rice soup. I don't put noodles in it, I put rice in it, but anyways, I call it chicken noodle. So that's what I'm gonna do this afternoon. I'm also gonna tidy up the apartment just a little bit. It's not dirty, but it just needs some tidying up done. But I wanted to show you guys what I got at HomeSense. And honestly, I already set it up and all, and it's so cute, so I have to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I got this little Christmas tree and I put it in our entrance right here, like on this table, with this little, like, how would you say, just like plater that I have that's always here. We put like our glasses, Alex puts his wallet in here, and then this candle that I got from the Smellies collab with Alex Shintomo, and then this little tree that I got from HomeSense. Like, how cute is this? And all together I just feel like it looks so cute. Like, we definitely need a mirror up here, and I did bring the mirror that's in our bedroom, like the round one that we have here, but I don't know that I want to set it up on the wall yet, so we're just gonna leave this bare for now. But like, how cute is this? This is the cutest little Christmas decor. So yeah, that's what I got. It's the only thing that I got, and I'm obsessed. It is so cute, it is so my vibe, and I really love it. Also, I changed. I'm wearing shorts because it is so hot, you guys. Like, I don't know what's going on. It is so hot. Alex literally left to go to the gym in shorts and a t-shirt. Typically in November, you're going out with like a snow coat on, or like at least a coat, and there could be snow outside. And right now it's like super hot. It's just kind of weird. Like, we've never had this kind of temperature, so I'm just kind of alarmed a little bit. I don't know what's going on, but anyways, I'm going to start my chicken noodle soup, or chicken rice soup, and we're making homemade shawarmas tonight for dinner. So I'm gonna make a shawarma like rub and all that, so I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you need. I'm actually missing 2 ingredients for the shawarma marinade, but I'll let you guys know what those ingredients are. So first things first, you need olive oil, garlic cloves, lemon, some cayenne pepper. I don't have like ground cayenne pepper, I only have like crushed cayenne pepper, so we're gonna use this. Salt and pepper, some cumin, paprika, turmeric. And then the 2 ingredients that I don't have are ground coriander, and I need a lot of that, and I don't have it, but I've never tried it with the ground coriander, so I don't think I'm gonna see a difference, so whatever. But if you have it, you need it in this recipe. I just personally don't have any, and I'm not gonna go buy any. So, and ground cloves, which I don't have either. So those are the 2 things. And the ground cloves, you only need half a teaspoon, whereas the ground coriander, you need 4 teaspoons. So anyways, like I said, I've never tasted this recipe or marinade before, so I'm not gonna see what the big difference is. I might find that there's like something missing, but you know, we're gonna do with what we have in the apartment. I'm not gonna go buy coriander or cloves. I don't know in what other recipe I would ever use those. So anyways, I'm gonna make the marinade. I have some chicken thighs defrosting right now, and then I'm gonna marinate them all throughout the afternoon in the sauce. And tonight we're making homemade shawarmas, which I will definitely show you guys are homemade shawarmas. So very excited about that. Okay, what's up guys? It's a little later and we're actually gonna walk to HomeSense. I told Alex that I really wanted to go, and he wants to get some steps in, so he's gonna come with me, and hopefully we can find him a Christmas mug because he loves Christmas mugs, and he was really disappointed that we didn't find anything today. So we're gonna walk to HomeSense and we're gonna see if they have any Christmas things. I put the chicken that was marinating for our dinner tonight in the fridge. I'm done making my soup. I just cleaned the kitchen and we're off. Also, I did have to change my top because I stained it while I was making food earlier. I stained my other like zip up vest that I was wearing. So it's currently in the wash right now. So yeah, I had to do a little outfit change. Okay, so the last thing you guys saw was us going to HomeSense, and we did a lot of damage, and I'm very happy with everything that we got. It is clearly, as you guys can tell, very dark in the apartment right now. So I'm gonna do a little haul tomorrow morning for you guys. It'll be in this vlog, but I'll just do it tomorrow when the lighting is better. And right now I'm making dinner, and I thought I would show you guys what we've got going on. Also, I don't know what's going on with my hair. It's like parted on the side instead of in the middle, but like I don't know. We're just gonna ignore it. So let me show you guys what I've prepped, and I will have the shawarma recipe linked down below for you guys. Okay, so I've got our pita breads out to make our shawarmas. We've got pickles, lettuce, cucumber, red onion. We're using this sauce right here, garlic kebab sauce, and it tastes really good. So it should be really good in our shawarmas. I've got the chicken cooking right here. It smells so good. And I think it's gonna be delicious in our shawarmas. Okay, I know this looks boring, but it's gonna be so good. So this is what the shawarma looks like. Like, there's no color to it, but there's a lot of color in it. So yeah, we're gonna eat dinner, and I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning when I do my little Christmas haul. What is up, you guys? Good morning. It is Monday, and as I promised yesterday, I'm here to do a little Christmas decor haul for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys. Also, like, everything is still in the bag. I haven't touched it, and I literally feel like I forgot what we got. So very excited to show you guys the things that we got. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I had already shown you guys, it's this little tiny Christmas tree, and I just think it's so cute. It's so my vibe, and I'm obsessed. I love the little like balls that they have that act as like Christmas ornaments in the tree. I think it's so cute. Next, I got this green throw blanket. I would love to add a little punch of green anywhere that I can, and I think this one is gonna look great on our bed. So I'm excited. I'm also looking for 2 decorative pillows to put on our bed to match with the blanket, because I think that'll just look so cute. I'm going for a like green, white, and off-white colors, wood, and a little bit of black as well. Like, that's the vibe that I'm going for, although I don't have anything that's black, but like I'd be willing to add little touches of black here and there. Okay, next I got this, but I'm actually thinking about returning it. I don't think it really goes with the vibe that I'm looking for. I think it's so cute, but I don't think it's a necessity, and like Christmas things are really expensive, and I'm not trying to just buy a whole bunch of things that I won't use, and I don't know that we'll actually genuinely use this, so I might return this. Not sure. It's still really cute, but might return. Next, we got this Noel wood sign. This is the tag. Don't mind it. I think it's so cute. I'm thinking of putting this maybe in the bathroom, which like I don't know yet where I'm putting things, but I think this is so cute and it fits our vibe. So I just had to get it, and it was only $9.99. Like, what? Next, we got these 2 little green Christmas trees. Now obviously they were in the bag, so they need to be like fluffed out to look cuter, but I thought that this would be so cute together anywhere that I'm able to find to decorate, you know. So we got these 2 things. Next, I got this gingerbread candle. I thought it was so cute. Now I need to take the tags off, but it's a wood wick, so I thought this would look so cute, and it smells really good. Like, it smells sweet, but it doesn't smell intense, and it looks really cute, and it's small and tiny and just like so cute. Next, we got these little shot glasses, elf themed. I think this was just such a cute little purchase. Alex has a collection of shot glasses, and I feel like these are just gonna go so great with his collection. I would also love to have people come over to do like a little Christmas get together, so these are gonna be perfect for that. They did have Friends Christmas little shot glasses, but we personally have never watched Friends or The Office, because they had The Office and Friends, or one or the other, I can't recall, but we've never watched those shows, so we couldn't relate to it, so that's why we didn't end up getting those ones. But when we found the Elf ones, we were like, yes, this is appropriate. We love Elf. Elf is probably one of my favorite. It's definitely in my top 3 favorite Christmas movies, so love these. These are just so cute and fun. Okay, this next purchase I was so excited for. I've been wanting to get one of these every single year, or even any season, but it's just like never right. It's a very expensive item for what it is, but at the same time it's not really, but like I could use the money somewhere else, so I've never just bought it. And if you guys know or didn't, like, Alex and I were both students the first 2 years that we were in an apartment, so we weren't crazy on purchasing things just for the heck of it. So this is the first year that we're actually able to purchase things that fit within our budget. So yeah, very excited. It's this candle, a sand and fog candle, and it smells like Christmas. Like, it smells like a Christmas tree, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, it smells like a Christmas tree. We're gonna have it in our living room. I think this is just so appropriate and just the perfect candle. And I was so happy to find it in green. I know they often have it in black or white, but when I saw it in green, I was like, oh my god, I need to get this. And I had Alex smell it, and he was like, oh, that smells really good. So it's gonna smell so good in our living room. I'm so excited about this. And even he was saying today, like, oh, it's gonna smell so good, like when we decorate the apartment and burn this for the first time, the whole apartment is gonna smell, and I agree. I 100% agree. The apartment is gonna smell so good because of this candle. The 3 last things that we got are Christmas / winter themed mugs. So let's go through them. Oh, I think I know which one this is, and this one is so cute. Oh my god, yes. Okay. So I will say the one thing that's very important to me when I buy a mug is I always want to know if it's dishwasher and microwave safe. If it's not, and I love, like I'm obsessed with it, then I'll still purchase it. But if it's not and I'm not obsessed with it, then I'm not going to get it. So the first one that we got is this one right here. It has little reindeers on it. It's green, so it matches the theme, and it has like this tan color all over it, and I just think it was perfect and so cute, and it's a big mug, so it's gonna be perfect for coffees in the morning. Oh, I'm so excited. Next, let's open this one up. This one is Alex's mug, and he really likes it a lot. It's this one right here. It's red with snowflakes on it. There was one that was the same as this, but it said Merry Everything, and Alex just preferred the snowflakes over Merry Everything. So this is his Christmas mug that he got. He loves red. I'm like not a color girl, so I'm like greens and neutral tone colors, but he loves red, so we got him a red cup. And honestly, you guys, these were not expensive. This one is $5.99. $5.99 as well. Like, these were so cheap, and they are really good quality. And then the last mug that we got, this one is like mostly for me, if I'm being honest. There's still a sticker on it, so don't mind it. I have to take it off, but it's this penguin mug. I just thought it was so cute. Also, like, the rim is gray, which I think is just such a cute detail. It's good quality. It's a big mug, and it was $6.99. So, like, honestly, you guys, if you're looking for Christmas mugs, just go to HomeSense. They're so inexpensive. As I was saying earlier in this vlog, like, the ones that we saw at Indigo, like, there was definitely some cute ones, but they were like $16.99 or $24.99, which is just so expensive for a mug. And I get it, like, they have to make money somewhere, but like, this is just as cute, if not cuter, and it was $6.99. like, come on. And the quality is great, and it's also dishwasher safe and microwave safe, so love that for me. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end off this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below, because one of my next vlogs is gonna be us decorating the apartment. I'm so excited to do that. So make sure you're subscribed down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do